Welcome! In front of me I have Realme 3i, and today I will show you how you can connect AirPods Pro to this smartphone. So at first you have to open charging case of the AirPods Pro, and on the back of the charging case, right here, you can find the pairing button. So we can use it by clicking and holding, so let's make it right now. And when this indicator starts blinking, just release that key. Next, open notification bar on your phone, click and hold this icon, turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and then click right here on the AirPods Pro when they pops on the list. And as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. So as you can see, it was very simple and very fast, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. See ya!